we're gonna do something fun today. We're gonna make some bracelets. Are you ready? Yeah? So we've just been to a fun fest over the weekend and Kyra has some present. What have you got there? What's in there? What's in there, Kyra? Buy ice cream. Is that your money? Yeah? How many ice cream can you buy? 2? Well done. And we've got all of these presents from Laughing Clown. Did Daddy get them for you? Yeah? We're gonna make some bracelets and make a necklace for you. What's in there? Oh wow! First we're gonna put these in the little hearts in here. You make a few like this, so we can put it together at the end with little hearts and stars in between. What have you found? Is that a watch? Yeah, we'll put that last, okay? Whoa! Is that your watch, darling? Let me put another green one on. Okay, so we're gonna have one bead and one rubber band, and then another bead and a rubber band. You're making your own bracelet. Okay. Focus. Oh no, that's okay. Not open. Yeah, there's an open one. There's an open one here. Make sure they're on the same side. Make sure they're not twisted. Yeah? Is that pretty? Whoa! You wanna try? Yeah? Wow, I think that's just about right. Ready for a new bracelet? There you go. Ta-da! See if you like it. Yeah? Oh, is that pretty? Show Mommy. Can Mommy see? Let me have a look then. Wow! More. Mommy make one more for you, yeah? What's your favorite color? Purple. Butterfly. And then use a different color. Use a blue one. Put that through the hoop. Ready? Make a little knot. And then we'll have a little green flower. Mommy got enough, darling. Thank you. No, Mommy has more. Mommy has more here. I'm gonna put the green one over here. Over the little knot, and then put another rubber band here. Shall we use a pink one? Might be easier if we use a hook. Use a blue star instead. Hey cheeky girl, where are you going? There we go. Do you want to try this new bracelet? That looks really pretty.
Oh no!
Wow!
Wow!
Is that your watch? Do you like it?
Mommy.
Mommy made?